Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can show Spotify on lock screen. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up a Spotify application and you can play any music of your choice. For instance, I have selected this song. Once you play it, you can just close your screen by tapping on power button. Once you do that, you can see the song on your lock screen. You can just tap it on the song to make it look bigger or to make it to the full screen. Once it's done, you are good to go. So that's how easily you can show Spotify on lock screen. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.